If you wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep, give me 10 minutes before your coffee. I used to wake up feeling heavy and sluggish, but this short morning Pilates flow completely changed how I start my day. In just 10 minutes, we're going to wake up the core, stretch the muscles, and activate your whole body so you feel energized and ready for the day ahead. No equipment, beginner friendly, just you and your mat. Let's start. Lie on your back, feet hip width apart. Inhale, gently lift the pelvis forward so your lower back lifts slightly off the mat. Exhale and press the lower back down, squeezing the core. Again, inhale, tilt. Exhale, imprint and engage. During this Pilates class, I want you to keep your core tight. This helps you target those abs and also create stability. Lift the legs off the ground and lower the right knee as you inhale. Exhale, return to center. Now the left knee, inhale, center, and circle the legs outwards. Again, inhale, lower the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, lower left. Exhale, circle the knees. Remember to keep the lower back on the mat. Ground both feet, tuck the pelvis, and as you inhale, lift from your hips, low back to upper back into a glute bridge. Exhale, lower one vertebrae at a time. Again, inhale, lift up and squeeze your glutes at the top. Exhale, lower down. Keep going, you're doing great. Last one. Roll onto one side and come into tabletop position. As you inhale, shine the chest forward. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Now back into neutral position. Contract your abs and lift your knees off the ground. Inhale. Exhale. I want you to feel the energy coursing through your body. Feel the vitality, the strength, the warmth that you have. Almost there. Don't give up. And lower. Tuck the toes and lift up into a downward dog. Keep the legs bent or gently walk it out. From downward dog, shift into a high plank, flow into a downward dog, then plank. Move like you are an ocean wave. Inhale plank, exhale downward dog. Final one. Great job. Stay in plank position and let's do some mountain climbers. Inhale right, exhale left. Imagine touching your knee to the chest, and don't forget to keep the core tight. Final push. You can do it. Then come onto your sit bones for your last exercise. Get into a boat pose and extend your arms in front. Now grab the hands and twist towards the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. If it gets too difficult for you, lower the legs to the ground. Three, two, one. Great job. Extend the legs, reach the arms up, and let's rest in a forward fold. You can take hold of the shins, ankles, or feet. You did amazing. Your body thanks you for showing up today, for taking the decision to do something good for yourself. And if you're ready, reach the arms up and get into a seated position alongside the middle of your mat. As always, take one last inhale as you sweep the arms up. Exhale, bow down. Try to do this every morning for strength and flexibility. Thank you. Namaste.